Peggy, you're gonna fall through. Leave the birdie alone. Yeah, Jerry's laying in the cage.
Huh?
The bird's laying in the cage. I don't think he's too well. Stays there much longer. Peggy's gonna get him. Peg. Come here, Peg.
Peg.
Look. Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? She's not moving for nothing.
No.
Wanna go for a walk? Peg.
She said, are you kidding me?
Here comes the duck. There's the duck. Here comes the duck. Peggy. You're making Pippi Lou afraid of you. Word has it you're a bird killer. Peg. Peggy. Peg. Because she won't turn around. Peggy. She's just staring at that bird. Peg.
Hey, Peg.
Sue.
Sue.
Peg. Peggy Sue.
I don't know, Peg.
Wanna go out? Want a bone?